Model, 2020 Peugeot Boxer Relay 435L4 Diesel 2.2 BlueHDi-H2 Asphalt Van 140ps Euro 6 ULEZ compliant X long wheelbase, non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 50,287. MOT, 28 June 2024. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing belt has snapped, engine will need repairing or replacing. A job worth doing to get this beauty back on the road. Smiling face. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, start-stop, parking sensors. EU state,